Come test drive the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, multi-link, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.